Let us study accountancy with Poonam Akhija. Students, today we are taking the topic of profit and loss appropriation account, commission to partner, and distribution of profit among the partners, and we are taking only the numericals. First, we are taking one question of fill in the blanks. This question generally appears in the exam. There the information is given and we have to fill in the blanks. X and Y are partners sharing profits and profits in the ratio of 3:2. The profit sharing ratio is given 3:2. Their partnership deed provided for interest on capital at the rate of 10%. This is the main point here, that you have to find out the interest on capital at the rate of 10%. And charging interest on drawings at the rate of 12%. Rate of interest on drawing is 12%. The incomplete P&L appropriation account for the year ended and partners capital accounts are given. This is your profit and loss appropriation account. This is your partners capital account and current account. Now see here, and we are supposed to complete the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019, partners capital account and current account. This is the question of CBSE 2019 compartment. Okay, now first see the main point here, that what we are given. Interest on capital given है, सैलरी है, प्रॉफिट का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वन पार्टनर का गिवन है, सेकंड का नहीं है. देन P&L अकाउंट का नेट प्रॉफिट गिवन नहीं है, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स गिवन नहीं है, बट द टोटल वैल्यू 2,84,000 इट इज़ गिवन. पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट में बैलेंसेस गिवन नहीं हैं. पार्टनर्स के करंट अकाउंट में देखिए आपके ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस है, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है 18,000, 24,000, बैंक है, ड्राइंग्स गिवन है 10,000 एंड 9,000. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, ये जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल गिवन है इसको हम प्लेस कर देंगे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में. दैट इज़ 18,000 and the second one is 24,000 and the total value will be 42,000. So this is the first what we have done. Interest on capital 18,000, 24,000 given है, उसको मैंने प्लेस कर दिया P&L appropriation account में 18 and 24 and the total is 42,000. The second point is here, it is given that interest on capital is at the rate of 10% per annum. तो इंटरेस्ट से हम कैपिटल की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो 10% इज इक्वल टू 18,000, तो कैपिटल हो जाएगी 1,80,000 फॉर एक्स एंड 2,40,000 फॉर वाई. The total will be same, 1,80,000, 2,40,000 and balance carry down 1,80,000, 2,40,000, 1,80,000 total, 2,40,000 total. So this is your partners capital account आपका complete हो गया यहाँ से. नेक्स्ट आप देखिए ड्राइंग्स गिवन है 10,000 एंड 9,000. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग गिवन है 12%. अब हम यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग का. द केस 1 व्हेन द डेट ऑफ ड्राइंग इज़ नॉट गिवन. देखिए कहीं भी क्वेश्चन में डेट गिवन नहीं है, एंड व्हेन द डेट इज़ नॉट गिवन वी कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ऑन एवरेज बेसिस फॉर 6 मंथ. तो 10,000 का 12% से फुल ईयर का इंटरेस्ट होगा 1,200 और 6 मंथ का हो जाएगा 600. द सेकेंड वन 9,000 का 12% से इंटरेस्ट होगा 1,080 और उसका हाफ हो जाएगा 540 एंड टोटल हो गया 1140. अब 2,84,000 में से 1140 हम माइनस करेंगे तो यहाँ पर आपके पास नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ द बिज़नेस आपका आ जाएगा this is 60, this is 8, 9, 10, 2 or 2, 4, 8 and 2. So 2,82,860 will be your net profit, right? अब देखिए आपकी प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर्ड गिवन है 1,20,000 एंड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो गिवन है 3:2. If the value of 3 is equal to 120, then the 2 will be equal to how much? 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 40,000, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 80,000, तो ये 80,000 आ गया. टोटल डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट आपका आ गया 2 लाख. अब 2,84,000 में से आप माइनस करेंगे 2,42,000, तो आपके पास आ जाएगा 42,000. तो आप 42,000 सैलरी में मेंशन कर देंगे. क्लियर? अब आप आ जाइए अपने करंट अकाउंट में. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल हमें गिवन था, वी विल राइट हियर बाय सैलरी, और सैलरी हमारी वाई की गिवन है, तो वाई के करंट अकाउंट में वी विल मेंशन 42,000. उसके बाद हमारे पास है प्रॉफिट, तो यहाँ लिखेंगे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट 1,20,000 एंड 80,000. ड्राइंग्स हमारा गिवन है, तो 2 इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग आ जाएगा, और इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग होगा आपका 605.40, एंड हेयर वी विल फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस कैरी डाउन. अब देखिए डेबिट साइड में आपका टोटल कितना आएगा, 78 और 18, ये आपका हो जाएगा 96 और 120 हो जाएगा 216. यहाँ से 80,000 है, 69 प्लस 24 प्लस 42 प्लस 80 विल बी इक्वल टू 9 4 13 और 2 15 10 12 और 21. सो इट विल बी 2,15,000. अब 2,15,000 में से हमें माइनस करना है 9 और 1 10,000 माइनस करेंगे, तो ये आ जाएगा 2,10,460. और यहाँ पर 2,16,000 में से 11,000 माइनस करेंगे तो 2,05,400. So this will be your balance carry down. So in this way simply you can solve this kind of question and it carries 6 marks. आप ये सोचिए कि ऐसा क्वेश्चन 6 मार्क्स का आपका आ सकता है, तो आपने थोड़ा सा लॉजिकली सोचना है, इंफॉर्मेशन को प्लेस करना है फ्रॉम वन अकाउंट टू अनदर अकाउंट. Now we are taking the second question. A and B are partners in a firm. A is entitled to a salary of 15,000 per month and a commission of 10% of net profit before charging any commission. B is entitled to a commission of 10% of net profit after charging his commission. Net profit for the year ending 31st March 2018 was 4,40,000. So this is our profit given, and now we will make a profit and loss appropriation account. So here the net profit is given. Net profit is 4,40,000. The next one here, salary is given. So to salary will be given for full year. 15,000 per month is given into multiply by 12, it will be 1,80,000. To commission. So commission here is for A. A के लिए 10% of net profit. A is entitled 10% of net profit before charging any commission. इट मीन्स 4,40,000 का डायरेक्ट 10% नेट प्रॉफिट का उसको 10% दे देना है, इट इज़ 44,000. एंड फॉर बी के लिए क्या है, 10% ऑफ नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर चार्जिंग हिज कमीशन. ऑल कमीशन नहीं बोला, हिज मीन्स सिर्फ उसका. तो 4,40,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 110. आपको बताया था कि जब आफ्टर होता है तो हम ऐड करते हैं रेट 100 में, 10% है तो 110 हो गया. एंड वी विल सॉल्व इट, इट विल बी 40,000. Now we will find out the divisible profit, and the divisible profit will be to divisible profit, that will be 4,40,000 टोटल है. 4,40,000 में से हम माइनस करेंगे 4,40,000 माइनस 180 और 84, तो ये हो जाएगा 264. तो 264 माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 13 में से 6 7 1,76,000. नाउ चेक द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो. ए एंड बी आर पार्टनर्स. कुछ भी नहीं दिया उसने प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो. When no profit sharing ratio is given, it will be equal, so it will be divided between A and B in the equal ratio, that is 88,000. And that is simple solution of commission. So here the question was related with the commission to the partners. You have to check whether it is before or after. Where it is after, you have to add 10 rate into the 100, that's it. You can simply calculate it. Next question, we are taking one more one. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Here the ratio is given 2:1 with capitals of 10 lakh and 5 lakh respectively on 1st April 2019. Each partner is entitled to 8% interest on capital. Rate of interest is 8%. B salary is given 3,500 per month together with a commission of 10% of the net profit after deducting interest on capital and salary, and after charging his commission. The point, after charging his commission is given. The profit for the year are given prior to calculation of interest on capital, but after charging B salary amounting to 4,50,000. Now we are taking the question of only we are taking here for the distribution of the profit. So we will not take the journal entries here. We will prepare only the partners capital account, right? So we will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account because we are taking the cases of only commission calculation. Profit and loss appropriation account. This is debit side, this is credit side. Now here the net profit is given. Net profit, it is given after salary. 4,50,000 we will write in the particulars column. Add salary. How much salary we have given to be 3,500 per month. 3,500 into 12. It will be 42,000. Total will be 4,92,000. Right. To debit side में हम लिखेंगे to salary, and this salary is given to B only, so we'll write here B 42,000. So automatically ये settle हो गया. The next one is to interest on capital. Interest on capital is 8%. So on 10 lakh 8% will be 80,000. For A it is 80,000. For B it is 40,000. Total will be 1,20,000. Now the commission. B is commission. This is B's commission will be calculated on 10% of net profit after. So 4,92,000 minus 42,000 minus 1,20,000. The value will be 3,30,000. And 10%, 10 by 100, 10 of 3,30,000, it will be 30,000. So B commission is 30,000. And now you will find out the divisible profit, and divisible profit will be equal to 3 lakh. 330 minus 30 is 3 lakh. And this will be distributed among A and B in the ratio of 2:1. So A is 2 lakh and B is 1 lakh. In this way, we will prepare the P&L appropriation account. You can draw all that in the format. I have a limited space, so I am doing the calculations only. So you will do in a proper format of profit and loss appropriation account with the proper amount column. Next question we are taking here. Shikha and Fatima were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. Their fixed capitals on 1st April 2017 were 3 lakh and 4 lakh. They agreed to allow interest on capital at the rate of 12%, to charge drawings at the rate of 15%. Profit for the firm for the year ended 31st March 18 before all the adjustment were 63,000. Drawings made by the Shikha were 11,000 and Fatima 20,000. Prepare P&L appropriation account. The interest on capital will be allowed even if the firm incur losses. This is again a main point here. We will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Now see, the profit sharing ratio is 5:3. First, we will write down the net profit, which is given 63,000. They are saying the interest on capital will be allowed even if the firm incur loss, means that it is the charge, it will be given 100%. So we will write here to interest on capital. Interest on capital for Shikha and for Fatima. Shikha 12% है, 3 lakh का 12% होगा 36,000. For Shikha it will be 48,000. Total will be 84,000. Now interest on drawing we will charge from the partners by interest on drawing. Interest on drawings will be 10,000 by Shikha and 20,000 by Fatima, and the date of drawing is not given, so we will calculate for 6 months. So Shikha and Fatima, the rate is 15%. 15% means 10,000 का 15% 1,500, half year का 750, and 20,000 का 15% 3,000, half year का 1,500. So it will be 2,250, right? So the interest on capital is 84,000 and the revenue is 65,250. So it will give the loss to the partners, and the loss will be distributed among the partners. 100% interest on capital we have to give because it is the charge. uh, 66,000 आपका ये हो गया 66 and 18,750 will be the loss, and this will be distributed among the partners in 5:3 ratio. So in the 18,750 you will distribute in 5:3 means 8 से divide होगा. 8 2 16, 3 24, 4s are 32 and threes are 24. It will be 8 to the 16, 3s are 24, 32, 33 हो गया, 2 3s are 24 and then decimal 60 बचेगा, तो 7s are 56, 5. So this will be for the individual, multiply by 5 and multiply by 3, the value will be there. So simply we will multiply it by 5 and it will be 25, 37, 15 or 3 18, 21, 17 and 11. So 11 1 7 1 8 and 3 will be equal to 5 22, then 9 or 2 11, 12 or 1 13, 13 or 9 or 1 10 and 6 or 1 7, 7 0 3 1. So that will be the value of loss which will be distributed among the partners, and in this way simply, and we will simplify it as 2, then it will be a complete one. So in this way we can solve the question of the interest on capital, interest on commission to the partners and the distribution of the profit. The last question we are taking here, that is a distribution of profit among the partners in the different form. This is ABCR partners, capitals are given है 60,000, 60,000 and 80,000. The current account balance is given है. Accordingly the partnership 10% of the profit is to be transferred to journal reserve, and the interest on capital rate is 5%. The workers were entitled to a salary of 12,000 per annum. The profits were to be divided. Here the ratio of profit is given in the different way. First 20,000 in the capital ratio. Capital ratio है आपकी 6:6:8, or we can say 3:3:4. And then next the ratio is 5:3:2, and the remaining in the equally. The firm profit is given 1,80,000 and we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. यहाँ पर फिर से हम नहीं ले रहे हैं journal entries because we are doing the practice of P&L appropriation account, right? So the profit and loss appropriation account we are preparing here. So the net profit is given. Net profit is 1,80,000. Here 10% we have to transfer to the journal reserve. We will write here to journal reserve. 10% of 1,80,000 will be 18,000. To हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पर 8% इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल लेना है, सॉरी 5% इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है. तो जब हम 5% इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल लेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 2 तो 5% हमारे पास है, कैपिटल है तीनों की, तो ए के आ जाएगा 2 इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. ए के लिए है 5% ऑन 60,000, इट विल बी 3,000. 5% on 60,000 again 3,000. 5% on 80,000 4,000. The total will be here 10,000. So interest on capital we have given, we have transferred the amount to the journal reserve, and then salary to C. So to salary we will write here, and salary to C is given here 12,000 per annum. So here the distribution of the profit will be there. Divisible profit is total है हमारे पास 1,80,000 एंड 1,80,000 में से माइनस करेंगे हम 18 और 12 30 और 40 तो 1,40,000 हमारे पास डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट हो गया. हाउ इट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इट इज़ गिवन हेयर. First 20,000 in the ratio of capitals. So A, B, C the profit first 20,000 जो जाएगा 664 की रेशो में जाएगा तो 6,000 6,000 एंड 8,000 आ गया. नेक्स्ट 30,000 जो है वो जाएगा हमारा 5:3:2 की रेशो में तो 15,000 9,000 एंड 6,000 आ गया. अब देखिए टोटल हमारे पास 140 है. 140 में से 50 हम दे चुके हैं तो हमारे पास बैलेंस बचा 90,000 एंड दिस 90,000 इक्वली जाएगा तो 30,000 30,000 एंड 30,000. सो द टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ ए विल बी 45 और 6 हो जाएगा 51,000 and here 39 or 6 45,000 and here 36 or 8 44,000. So in this way it will be distributed. A is 51,000, B is 45,000 and C is 44,000. In this way the profit will be distributed. So this is your working note and this is your P&L appropriation account. So in this way simply we can prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Thank you children for all that. If there is any doubt you can ask in the comment